Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will do an example on Shannon normal form. For Shannon normal form, you have to keep in mind three things. It's really simple to solve Shannon normal form if you are doing it stepwise. So you have to keep in mind this, the variable ordering, it will be given in the question. You have to start with the largest variable and then move to the smallest variable. When you are done with D, then you'll move to C, B, and so on. Second step, you have to first follow the syntax of the Shannon normal form. When we'll start for D, we will write the true part of the equation first, and then the false part of the same equation. Okay, and this is one equation, all right. And then the third thing, write the rules. It's just for me, I write the rules separately so that when I'm solving the equation, it becomes really quick to solve the question. So C and true is C. As in the AND case, both values should be true and we don't know the value of C, so we'll write C and false. One of the value is false, the answer will be false, and the same goes with OR and true according to the true rules. So you have to keep in mind three things: the ordering, the rules, and the syntax for solving the equation. Let's begin. Let's start solving it. Let me do it. Oh, okay. B and C and D, or C and not D. This is our one equation. All right. So now we will solve the true part of the equation. We will do for D as the variable ordering. In the variable ordering, D is the largest one. All right. So the true part of the equation and then the false part of the equation. Okay. So we will in the true part, it's just like in the true part of the equation, you will replace D with the true. In the false part of the equation, you will replace D with the false. Else would remain the same. Okay, it's really easy. Replace C with true in the true part. Okay. Okay. So as D, when we put true in D, it's not D, so it will become false. Okay. B and C, and now replace D with false. C, and when we will put false in this, it will become true. Okay. So now let's solve it. B and what is C and true? C and true is C. So you will write C, and C and false is this false. B and C and false is false. And then C and true is C. Okay. Now B and C are false. This is the true part of the equation. And then B and false is false, false, or C. This is the false part of the equation for D. Now let's solve this part and this again. C or false is C or false is C. So it will become B and C. And then false or C is C. Okay. So now we will solve in Shannon normal form. We remove all the operators. Okay. So now we will remove this operator. Now we will solve it for C. As the largest variable is C in here, it will go like this from largest to smaller. So now we will solve it for C. Now the same. Now for C we have two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we will do the true and false part of this and true and false part of this. Okay. So we will solve for C. It will now replace C true, B and true. Okay, and B and false. for this equation, true part and false part, and then we will do for the second equation, true, false, false part. Replace C with true, replace C with false. Alright, and now let's solve it. What we will get is B and true is true, B and true is B, and then B and false is false, and then it will remain the same, true and false. We cannot solve it further. And then what we will get is, we will solve for B again, and it will be like, oh no, not again. Now we will solve for B, as we have done D, C, and now we will solve for B. As there is no A, so we won't solve for A. So it's like this. Now for B, we will replace B with true, and then false. This is B. This false comes as it is, false, and this false was of C, so it will come this way, false for C, and then this equation as it is, true, false. Okay, so this is the solution for Shannon normal form. Okay guys, so we will come with more videos on more examples on Shannon normal form and some other topics. So if you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.